Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This is my patriotic flower vase, and this is also one of my used candle jar, and I painted blue paint like you saw the process. And these flower beads I just painted white. I just inserted in one of the ziploc with a little bit of white paint, and I scrubbed it and I dried it out, and after that I stuck it around the jar just to give like a star effect to the flag part, the blue and white. So that part I wanted to depict here, and I filled with a lot of flowers which had flag colors, white and red, blue and white stars, and I filled some white lilies just to give like a filler. And I'm just loving this flower jar, flower vase, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. This video is in collaboration with Patriotic Open Challenge, and this is hosted by Theresa over Theresa BDIY and Sammy over Unicorn Dust Designs. I'll leave the links of their channels as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. And this is one of my used candle jar, and I cleaned it out, and in the masking tape I just created 2 stripes or 3 stripes, and then I painted red, and that's all I did basically. And I also twined one of the cotton yarn from Dollar Tree. It's green color, and on the top of the neck of the bottle, and also I created a small tassel. This is one of the patriotic candle jar. So I'm loving this. Let me know your thoughts on this too. This patriotic mason jar is all from Dollar Tree. Can you believe that? And I just got this huge mason jar that was in the patriotic section. So I just got one of this sign with star and in God we trust. So I just stenciled out with red paint, in God we trust, and I stuck the star in the center of the mason jar. And also I twined the neck of the mason jar with one of the red burlap ribbon. I got one of the strand and I just circled it around, and one of this patriotic flower on one corner. And I also have some of the straws, one with the blue and white stars and one with white and red stripes. So yeah, this is one of the cute sign that I'm very much happy with. So let me know your thoughts on this.